Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. कुछ 2-3 दिन पहले I was having a discussion with my mom and we were basically talking about Jews, how they have control over basically everything. Mainly talking about their influence over media, banking system, economies, institutions, everything. फिर मेरी मामा ने बोला रिमशान को देखो ना ये कितने चालाक हैं, they're so clever and look at the way they run the world. इसी बात से ना एकदम से a thought came to my mind that they're not clever. We as Muslims became dumb. Now what do I exactly mean by that? Let me tell you. जब आप कुरान पढ़ते हो ना, when you actually read it deeply, you realize something. अल्लाह ताला ने again and again हमें warn किया है about these certain group of people and these warnings weren't mentioned once or twice. They are repeated throughout the Quran. Almost every major surah mentions these group of people. With so much clarity, Allah Ta'ala ने हमें इनके patterns के बारे में बताया हुआ है. Their very patterns of corruption, their pattern of twisting truth, their pattern of deceit and hypocrisy, their pattern of arrogance, betrayal, patterns of harming prophets, patterns of contemplating to kill prophets, and even actually killing prophets. Hazrat Yahya and Hazrat Zakaria. Allah Ta'ala ने कुरान में बड़े clearly इनके patterns बताए हैं, so we can recognize their behavior, so we could stay alert and protect ourselves. और हमने क्या किया? We ignored every warning. We became the most distracted ummah. We divided ourselves into man-made religious sects, in political groups, ethnicities, in petty rivalries. We did everything except what actually mattered. These certain groups, Yahud and Kuffar, they just simply filled the vacuum that we left. It wasn't that Yahud and Kuffar became very powerful. It's that we Muslims became weak. We were given the blueprint of their patterns. We were exactly told how Yahud and Kuffar will behave. We were warned repeatedly about their mindsets, about their actions. We were too busy imitating everyone except our own guidance. We became too lazy to study our own deen. हम completely disconnect हो गए from the very book that explained to us the world before the world changed. So बिल्कुल भी नहीं. These certain groups, Yahud and Kuffar, they did not outsmart us. हम जो है ना मुसलमान, we handed them the world on a silver damn platter. While we were busy and we are still busy tearing each other apart. Just look at the state of the Muslim Ummah today. Scattered, humiliated, powerless, divided. Not because others were brilliant, but because we abandoned the knowledge that could have made us undefeatable. ये जो आजकल के चंद मुसलमान हैं ना, I don't understand where do you get the bloody audacity to ask this question. Why isn't Allah helping Palestine? Why isn't Allah helping the whole ummah? कभी कुरान तो खोलो. Allah Ta'ala has warned us multiple times about Yahud or Kuffara, how they will spread corruption on land. Allah exposed their very tactics centuries before they reappeared in new forms that you see today. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala gave us revelation, prophets, the complete book, Sharia, moral code, everything. What did we do with all of that? We turned our backs on our purpose. हमने तमाम warnings को ignore किया. We handed over our unity, our strength, our dignity willingly. Now some of you have the audacity to question Allah. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will ask us, I gave you revelation, I sent prophets, I gave you the Quran, I gave you Sharia. Why did I allow these groups to spread corruption across the world? Why did you abandon what would have made you stronger? इस दुनिया ने मुस्लिम उम्मा को नहीं तोड़ा. This ummah broke itself. We are the ones to blame. Full stop.